Before engine carbon cleaning process. Spark plugs before cleaning. Spark plugs after cleaning. Spark plugs resistance checking. Throttle body before cleaning. Throttle body after cleaning. Mass airflow sensor after cleaning. Manifold absolute sensor after cleaning. Oxygen sensor 1 before cleaning. Oxygen sensor 1 after cleaning. Oxygen sensor 2 location. Oxygen sensor 2 before cleaning. Oxygen sensor 2 after cleaning. Catalytic converter cleaning and process. We use machine for catalytic converter cleaning. First, we spray water outside and inside catalytic converter to make it cold to avoid any damage. As you can see. Then we pure chemicals in machine with 0% acidity. As you can see here, its pH level. Always use chemicals to clean catalytic converter. Then we spray that chemicals inside catalytic converter through oxygen sensor. Then we fix both sensors and then start a car. Then we give acceleration and all dirt come out through exhaust muffler, as you can see. Its safe process can be done after every 50,000 or 60,000 kilometers. Computer scanning and process. No fault code. Throttle body calibration in process to relearn its RPM. Throttle body calibration is complete. Now you can check its RPM. Carbon cleaner agent for carbon cleaning process. Engine carbon cleaning and process. It's machine process that clean internal combustion chamber using hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon cleaner agent. Total time required 30 minutes. Its safe process can be done after 10 or 15,000 kilometers. Benefits of engine carbon cleaning: reduce fuel consumption problem, restore engine performance, reduce toxic emissions, make drive smooth. For more information, contact us. Thanks for watching.